Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to filter rows in Smartsheet. Okay, so first up, open up one of your sheets and then go ahead and go to filters right here at the top. Create a filter, name it, maybe row filter. Then go ahead and select the field. It says here, show rows that match all conditions. Click on the drop down. Row has attachments or not, does not have an attachment. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and include parent rows. Okay. Now, if you're happy with the conditions right here, you're going to go ahead and straight up hit on apply. And once done, as you can see here, 5 of 5 rows met filter conditions. Now, if you want to add in some more conditions, just click on it, or just click on the drop down and just click on new filter. If you want to turn it off, as you can see here, we have the filter off option. New filter, maybe give it a name, but this one is optional. Okay. Row has attachments or has comments. Is locked, not unlocked, not locked, does not have comments. Okay, just pick one, select the field, again, row. You can go ahead and add in as much condition as you want. Okay, has comments, is not locked, add in some more, row is locked. Okay, hit on apply and it will be gone because I don't have any locked items in here. But that's basically how you filter rows here in Smartsheet. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.